My mom's been slacking, so we're gonna take care of this. Now, get up here. Hide the other. Then my sister loves eggnog. Animal. And we have some dill pickles. Yeah, but they're gross. My mom likes them, but it's gross. Oh, my cake! Do I take all this stuff with this out? You're not that good. I finally start spraying. That's I want some potatoes later, Mommy. Not the ball. Ooh. This here. I'll stack in front of this. Jeez, and I don't even like pickles. Oh. Glad. Bye. Thanks for watching us. Now I'm gonna eat Jello.